So underway in the K2 men's 500 meter first heat. So at the halfway stage, Canada leading out Ukraine, Belarus, Finland in fourth. The Canadian duo, fresh from the Tokyo Olympics, storming their way towards the finish. Certainly competition from Ukraine. Only top dogs will progress to the final automatically. Ukraine trying to catch Canada right on the line. And they've just managed it. Stunning final 50 from Dmytro Danilenko and Ole Kukharik of Ukraine. Nicholas Matvev and Simon McTavish doing all they could, but just missing out into the semi-finals.